Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to check PayPal account is verified. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your account, and after that when you log into your account, so here you can see that here in the dashboard send money and request money options. So simply if your account is verified, simply you will be able to send money to same PayPal account or any other bank account, and if your account is not verified, simply you cannot send money. So in other way, if you don't receive money, so simply your account is not verified. So in order to receive your money, your account is verified. So now as you can see here, we will click on request money, and after that when you click on request money you will move to next page. So simply as you can see, just type the username or email here. After that just type the amount and click on request new. So here you can see we are unable to send money, so it's mean our account is not verified. So when your account is verified, simply you can send and receive money in PayPal.